Okay.
Okay, hi everyone. It's Vyacheslav and it's LMI with you today. We'll be congratulating and awarding our tournament winners. But let me first of all tell you what this tournament was all about. Our company is now 1 year old, so because we are celebrating our first birthday, we'd like to share our joy with you, and that's why we decided to do this tournament. The rules were quite simple. You had to trade our 30K practice session, but we removed the profit targets, and so the only thing you had to do is to avoid huge risks. The contest was being held from May 13th and until May 24th. And now we're ready to announce our winners. They will all get their prizes today. As you know, they were competing for 3 prizes. The third place would take a 30K qualifying session plus 1 free month of the Wolfix platform subscription. The second place would take the 50K qualifying session and 1 month of Wolfix. And the first place gets straight into a funded session and 3 months of the Wolfix subscription. Quite generous prices, I believe. And also, everybody who finished in the green zone, who had some profit accumulated in their account and who didn't break any rules, were also getting a 30% discount to purchase any practice session of their choice. So this is what the contest was all about, and today we'll talk about the results in details, and that's why we invited one of our contest winners. It's Bilal. Hi, Bilal. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Great. Congratulations on taking the 3rd place in our contest.
Thank you.
Bilal did really well. He was trading really carefully. He finished in the green zone with $271 of profit. He made a total of 17 trades. 9 of them were closed in profits. 8 of them were closed with losses. And he was trading Nasdaq futures all this time. Let me ask you, Bilal,
Yes.
how long have you been trading generally?
Actually, I have been started trading since 2008.
Okay.
Yes.
Why did you decide to start trading?
From inspiring from my friend, but he left trading now, and he's doing a job.
You stayed, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So it's been a long time. Do you believe that your trading was changing throughout this time?
Yes, because I am living in Pakistan, and there is a only population of 200 million people, but there is only 1% traders in trading in forex in Pakistan. There is no infrastructure for best trading. I learned by self. There is no institute for learning, and not a very good internet connections over here.
Right.
You know about the Pakistan, and I learned from this my own basis and from some books, Amazon's books, and a lot of free seminars.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So basically, you have a lot of experience, and with the Wolfix platform, you can trade futures, and you decided to take part in our contest, and you won. Let's talk about your trading strategy then. I can see that you were trading Nasdaq futures all this time. Some trades were good, some were not. Generally, what tactics do you use to enter the market?
Actually, I am entering the market using my three forecasting indicators: ADX,
Mm-hmm.
my own stochastic setting,
Mm-hmm.
and price action breakout.
Right. So you're basically trading technical analysis only, right?
Yes, only technical analysis. I don't believe on fundamentals.
All right. I see. Do you use volume analysis in your trading as well?
No, I want to learn volume analysis. Therefore, I subscribe a Wolfix.
I
I don't
see.
know about, yes, I don't know more about volume analysis.
I
I
see.
want to learn the delta theory.
Great, great. So
Yes.
you have a huge amount of information for you yet to come, and I'm glad that you're studying it now, and I'm glad that you can actually win even without this. But let's talk about your trades in detail. Tell me what you felt during your first trading day. How was it going for you?
That is normal because I am trading today also in my personal account.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay,
Yes.
so um, can you tell me about some of the trades that you took? What were your favorites? I mean,
Actually, I
yeah,
trade. Yes, please.
the trades that you took during the contest. I mean, yeah. Anything you can remember?
Actually, yes, but I trade both side of the market.
Right.
I don't plan trade before. I just see the market and
Uh-huh.
I go to the river stream side, not against the river.
All right. So you tried to trade the
In
trend, right?
yes, yes, in the trends.
Okay.
And my basic strategy, I in Nasdaq, I make up my own strategy. I took place a six trades in all day,
Hmm.
and with the 5 to 10 point profit.
I see. What is
Yes.
your stop for Nasdaq? How many points?
Uh, yes. In points, my stop is maximum 10 points and trailing of every 3 points.
Oh, so you're both using the normal stop loss plus trailing, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, why don't you take larger take profits? Why do you exit your trades so quickly?
Yes. Actually, this is the reason I want to increase my. Actually, I am using a time frame for the 5 minutes,
Right.
right?
Okay.
And in 5 minutes, the ATR shows only take the 3 ATR. I mean to say 10 point, 8 point,
Hmm.
13 points profit. Yeah.
I see. So ATR defines your profit targets. Now I see.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Does your strategy fit well into both ranging markets and trading markets? So which kind of days do you feel more comfortable with? When it's ranging or when it's trending?
I don't care about because I I learn driving. I don't short road on a long way. I
Uh,
don't care because I can trade in ranging and I today's I there is a market in range bound.
okay. Okay. I see.
Yes, today market and I make a six trades today.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, I see. I see. Well, with your kind of profit targets that are not so big, you shouldn't really be caring a lot about the
Yes,
type of
I want.
day.
Yes,
Yeah.
I want to learn this.
Okay. Now tell me more about yourself. Is trading the only occupation that you do or is there anything else that you do for living?
Yes.
So it's the only one, or you have another job?
Yes. No. 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 I am doing my business as a authorized money changer in Pakistan,
Mm-hmm.
and I have a little bit exporting company. I
Oh, great.
export. Yes, I have a little bit small factory with the 20 implies.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, with the 20 implies for leather goods and sporting goods.
Oh, good, good. I'm glad to
When
hear
you
that. Yeah.
yes, when you Google to the Sialkot, you will see the most of exporting players here.
Wow, that's great to
Every
hear.
every soccer ball is made in Sialkot in the World Cup.
So basically, your factory makes soccer balls for the major tournaments, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's great. Wow, I love soccer. And now I don't play
Yeah,
as often as I
great.
used to, but well, I would never imagine to play with the quality of ball that you make, but I guess it's quite good. Anyways, coming back to your trading, what do you think of the qualifying session that you're getting as a prize? How do you plan to trade it? Is it going to be the same kind of tactics, same Nasdaq futures, or are you going to add anything?
No, actually, I started trading Nasdaq future because here is no time. Here, Pakistan time is 10:11 p.m. now.
Right.
There is uh, about midnight.
Okay.
I
So
start
you.
a session at yes, because when I close my other works
Mhm.
and start trading 6:30 p.m. in Pakistani time.
I see. So you'll be only trading Nasdaq futures as well.
Yes, therefore.
Now coming to your major goals. Um, if you were trading a funded session account, then what would be your goals? What is the maximum goal that you plan to achieve with your trading?
Actually, in sense of the money management techniques, my profit targets not in the points. My profit target is in dollars.
Right.
Uh, $200 per day is my profit target. When I achieve it, I close my laptop and then learning new techniques.
Oh, good, good. So you're quite a disciplined trader.
Yeah, little
Tell me,
bit.
tell me a little bit how you work on your trading psychology and discipline. What helps you most?
Nothing. I think there is only one thing. If you want to make a profit, there is only a discipline.
Hmm.
When you see the market is against you, you can get out and wait for the next opportunity because there is a lot of opportunities every day in the market.
So your advice would be not to rush straight into what you see, but carefully wait
Mhm.
until the next
Yes, yes,
best
yes,
opportunity comes, right?
yes.
Right, good. Um, okay. What would be your like major goals in trading? Like when you have earned a certain amount of money for you, or what when you say, Balal, you've done a good job. Now I am satisfied with what I've done. What is your major goal?
Actually, my major goal is learn to trade,
Right,
not earn the money.
right, right, right.
The money is secondary. First,
Hmm.
if I got actually I am decoding to WD GAN. I want to learn wave pattern because if I want to learn wave pattern with my theory, I will earn in a range bound market,
Great.
right? And very influence in the market is the volume trader. Therefore, I join the Volfex because if I
Hmm.
know the volume, which side I'll decide.
I see. I see. I would agree with you that it's not about the money. It's about whether you learn your lessons well and whether you
Yeah.
make right conclusions from your mistakes, right?
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, I'm really glad that our contest winner is a very disciplined trader, and you guys see that how much discipline it really takes um, to win contests like this and to get funded session accounts. If you don't have tight stops, if you don't have good risk management and trade management, then your chances to win are actually decreasing. So be disciplined, like Balal. Well,
Thank you.
Thank you, Bilal. So your price is 30K qualifying session plus 1 free month of Wolfix platform subscription. You will get those in your email, I guess, later today. And for now, we'd like to congratulate you again and basically uh, go on with our next contest winners. Thank you again.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, guys, so let's go further. Just a second. Give me 1 second. Yeah, so we have 2 more contest winners. Let me show you the table again. So as you can see, 57 people took part in this contest. Most of them lost their accounts because they broke one rule or another. Most of them would break the daily loss limit rule, and you see that those total P&Ls actually show that like less than 500 minus $500 means that some kind of daily loss limit rule were broken. Only a few people actually finished in the green zone, about 10% of people. So Balal took the 3rd place and he earned $271. Now the 2nd place was taken by a guy with a nickname WK83. Unfortunately, we don't have him and the 1st place winner with us. But let me just give you a few ideas on how they traded, and let's see. So WK83 made 100 trades. Most of them were profitable, 69. Let's see what he did. So he was trading Nasdaq futures, just like the previous trader. He was only trading Nasdaq. And let's go back to the beginning of the contest where he made his major profits. We started on May 13th, and this is when he was making most of his trades. As you see, it's hard to really get what trades he was making because there were so many of them. But he managed his risks well. He took really short profit targets, and if market was going not in his direction, he accepted his stop losses, and so he exited the market quickly. This is the period of time where he made most of his trades. I would guess that this is where he was losing money, not making them, because it's hard to really be a very successful scalper if you make like a few trades a minute. But then if we go on, you see that he finally caught the some trend waves and made some successful short trades. This is one of them. Let's look at some other days that he took. Now, the second trading day was as intense as the first one. We can see a good profitable short, and then the other 2 shorts were not so profitable. Probably he was hoping to go on with the market, but the market didn't follow, so he had to take his stop losses. Again, with the tight stop loss, he finally manages to get a profitable long trade, and after making a few other trades, he realizes that's enough for the day, and so he doesn't go on with that. After that, all the other days were less intense. For example, this one, he took a profitable short, then a break-even short, and that was basically it, right? And then when Nasdaq started to fall, he took another good short. So day by day, he was taking some good profitable trades, and he was cutting his losses really aggressively. That's why, all in all, he managed to stay in the green zone and take the second place in our tournament. So we congratulate the person with the nick WK83. He gets his 50k qualifying session and 1 free month of Wolfix platform subscription. Now, there is a guy who could have taken the second place instead of this one, but unfortunately, he broke a rule, so he lost his account. That's really unfortunate because most of his trades were closed in a profitable zone. He made 14 trades and 11 of them were profitable. Unfortunately, he broke a rule, so he was out of the contest. He generated quite a good profit, $400. But his account was lost. Now coming to our winner, who is getting the funded session account, it's somebody with the nickname U135. Let's see what he was trading. He managed to generate quite a big profit. It's 1,400 bucks with only 12 closed trades. Let's see how he managed to do it. So he was trading Russell, gold, S&Ps, and some Euro futures. With Russells, he didn't take many trades. He earned 400 bucks with the Russells. And here we see quite a different trading style. Just one beautiful trade a day was taken, just one good short, and nothing else, you see? This trading style appeals to me most. I like it better because he definitely has larger profit targets, and he doesn't want to wait until he loses this profit. So quite a beautiful trade here. Now let's see what he did about gold. Not as well. He was trying to short gold futures, but looks like he was either too cautious to take his profit targets, because here he broke even here, but he could actually won like 40 ticks. And now when he wanted to take another shot, unfortunately, market has already changed its direction and the price went in a different way. The same thing happened here, but you see that his stop losses were tight, and he didn't lose as much in the gold. He only lost 500 bucks here. Now let's see where he made his most profits. It's the S&P's futures. While our chart is loading, let's see what were those trades. And from the trades he was taking, you can see that he really feels the market. He managed to take a long trade at the end of the long trend. Actually, he exited the market nearly at the very high of the day, the 16th of May. Then he felt that the market reversed and took one good short trade, and it was the next day. I guess that the winner of this contest believes that one good trade a day is basically what you should be doing. So don't take many trades. Take one good trade. If it goes your direction, great. Just close the terminal, wait until the next day, go for a walk, go do whatever you want, and then come back with fresh mind and trade afresh and just earn more money. You see, one good trade, second good trade, third good trade. It's the May 21st. Sorry. He follows the long trend in S&Ps and takes another beautiful trade. This is where he actually earned like 99% of the profit that he earned. Finally, $1,438 was earned in S&Ps, And then finally, he was trying to trade euro futures, and he did a little bit of profit there. Let's see what trades he took there. Just give me a second. Yeah, so he was mostly trading euro futures by the end of the tournament, and noticeably he was trading the trend. The euro was falling, as you can see, most of the time, and he took 2 profitable shorts. He didn't wait long until those shorts went in his direction. He could have earned more, but looks like he has a certain time limit for every trade. So he either takes a stop loss or he takes a short profit, but he doesn't like to wait. And another time you see that he only takes 1 trade a day, and these tactics actually let him win. So guys, it's not about the number of trades you take, it's about the quality of trades you take. So focus on the really best trades. Wait for them. Don't rush into the markets when you see that it's kind of, I want to take the trade. Please evaluate it against your trading system, against your risk management, and only then take your decision whether or not to enter the market. So, beautiful trades. Most of the time, just 1 trade a day. This is our winner. He gets 10K funded session account and 3 months of Wolfix subscription. So he won't have to go through our recruitment program. We see that he trades really well, and we congratulate him. He will receive his prize today as well. So this is almost it about the Traders Anniversary Tournament. And let me just invite you to take part in our recruitment program. Anybody who hasn't yet tried it, it's probably the time. We have best possible recruitment conditions in the industry. It's cheapest. It's best quality support. You don't have to pay a lot for the recruitment program. And if you trade really well and you can pass our program within 1 month, then you basically just pay for the first stage of the recruitment program, which is the practice session. You buy it, you achieve your profit targets. If you can make it like in 2 days, in 2 weeks, then you get 1 free month of the qualifying session. And if you can achieve the profit targets of the qualifying session within that period, then the second stage is completely free for you. So what can be better? You can't wish you can't wish more. If you were risking your own money, you'd probably lose the cost of our monthly subscription in just 1 trade. So think about it. Try the recruitment program that we offer. Go to our website, and we hope to see you all funded soon. We really enjoy to see how you trade, how you grow in your trading, how you improve every day. Also, let me remind you of our practice session public accounts, which you'll be able to purchase as well, and to continue competing between one another and see what trades other people take. You can get to know more about this from our support team. If you have any questions, just quickly shoot an email to support@lmitrade.com. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find us in Facebook, and we'll be glad to have you as a part of our funded team, really. Um, Hope to see you all soon. It was Vyacheslav. Have a great day, and thank you all who took part in this traders tournament. See you again soon. Bye bye.